crave anime and game-themed treats. Konnichiwa, minasan! Today, we'll be covering some of the wonderful, fantastical themed cafes here in Tokyo. What sort of themes, you may ask? We've got the cute, the cool, and everything in between. From games to anime to original creations, we have something for everyone, so stay tuned. Our first stop is to Pikachu Sweets by the Pokemon Cafe. Wait, what the? Looks like Pikachu's taking a backseat to Pochama for a bit. Pochama is also known in English as Piplup, the adorable water-type Pokemon from Sinnoh. But just because Pochama is in the spotlight for the moment, that doesn't mean that you can't find plenty of Pikachu goodness. We got to order some delicious treats while we were visiting. Such as this chocolate cake that Patissier Pikachu is especially proud of. So decadent! What stood out the most to me were the fruit parfaits. There were two, one mixed berry and one caramel nut. It's so hard to choose a flavor. Flavor it? What? What is a flavor it? You'd be amazed. These themed cafes will completely renovate their interiors for all sorts of different themes, crossovers, and promotions. Look forward to seeing more of those later. We won't have to travel far for our next destination. In the same mall inside Sunshine City, Ikebukuro, we have Sanrio Cafe. I absolutely love Sanrio's cast of characters. They're so cute. And this cafe is decorated with art on the brick walls. It makes it feel so comfy. This cafe has both sweet and savory dishes, which is a welcome change. We got to try this delicious hamburger and these adorable Hello Kitty Nikuman. Almost too cute to eat. But of course, no amount of sugar could keep me away from something as incredible looking as the Hello Kitty Honey Toast. It turns out, Sanrio has cafes across the world, like in Los Angeles and Las Vegas in the USA, and London in the UK. Maybe you can get a chance to try out their wonderful creations wherever you are. Oh look! It's Cinnamoroll, another Sanrio character. Looks like he's got something special going on. His own cafe! Welcome to Cinnamoroll Cafe, based in Shinjuku. It's all Cinnamoroll all the time, which is fine by me because I just can't get enough of this guy and his floppy ears. The dining area of this cafe is so nice. There's so many photos on the walls of memories and past adventures. The light-colored walls and the wood accents make it feel real cozy. And if you dine alone, Cinnamoroll will sit opposite of you so that you always have someone to share a meal with. It's so sweet of him. I really like the goodnight omurice. Oh, and look at this! This is called Blue Stroganoff in the Distant Sky, and it's more a piece of art than it is a meal. Boy, it looks too good to eat. They don't skimp out on the desserts either, from their special shortcakes to their parfaits. My favorite is the cinnamon mini parfait. It's coffee flavored and perfectly balances the coffee and the sweetness. Phew! I think we could use a break from all the cafes and full meals. Luckily, our next destination focuses less on full dining experience and instead offers wonderful treats. Welcome to Shirohige's Cream Puff Factory, featuring the iconic aesthetic of Studio Ghibli's library. This shop offers wonderful cream puffs and other desserts. I love all the Ghibli characters and memorabilia on the walls. The design of this place feels so very homey. One thing I really appreciate is that their menu is always changing. For example, when we visited, we got to try the peach cream and mango cream puffs. These are only available seasonally, unfortunately, but don't worry because we also got to try the fresh cream and chocolate cream puffs, which are available all year round. So far, we've only gotten to show off a few themed restaurants based off popular anime and video games, which is fun, but let's throw in a change of pace with something wholly original. We next zoom over to the center of Harajuku to visit Eiswelt Gelato. Originally founded in California, Eiswelt has found a special and unique audience here in Japan. They make gelato, a special kind of Italian ice cream, and use it to make wonderful edible creations. You can have them make all sorts of animals, like a teddy, or a doggy, or a chicken, out of the flavors that you choose. When we visited, we got a piggy and a chicken, 2 scoop style. Look, don't they look like the best of friends? They were so tasty. The blue piggy was a birthday cake flavor, while the chicken was mango flavored. It was so amazing seeing the artistry to turn lumps of ice cream into something so kawaii. Speaking of artistry, this next destination is a really special one. Welcome to Hatcoffee, run by renowned latte artist Matsuno Kohei. Kohei got his start working at Reissue, a famous cafe in Harajuku. He gained all sorts of popularity for his custom latte art and now runs his own cafe in Tokyo. Here, you can have any 2D or even 3D image made into latte art to go with your drink. It's so fascinating seeing their process as they make this art right in front of you. We're actually going to be posting a special video from Hatcoffee later on this very channel, showing how the latte art is made and even an interview with the owner, Matsuno Kohei. If you want to see that video when it goes up, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you'll get notified when it goes up, as well as all the other wonderful videos we have planned. Up next, our tour takes us just a turn away from Akihabara Station, where we visit the Gundam Cafe. While these stores have permanently closed their doors, we're very glad to get the opportunity to show off this incredible restaurant while it's still open. While we were there, we got to try 2 delicious dishes, both